Our nation thanks you for volunteering your services during this dark time.
Hey, this is Mitch. Please leave a message and I'll get right back to you.
Please, tell me you're okay. I need you. I love you.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Wake up! Wake up!
I'll keep trying. I'll keep trying.
If you find your husband, I hope you understand what that could mean.
The odd ones that do come back online are docile.
Oh my God.
I can assure you, you have nothing to fear.